how to reset your Bybit password. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit and can't remember your password or simply want to create a new one, then here's how you can reset your password quick and easy. First of all, launch open the Bybit application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, click on the Login to Trade option. Now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your email address or your mobile number and tap Next. Now click on Login with Password. Now, if you want to reset your password, if you don't remember your password, you can just tap on Having Trouble Logging In. Now, go ahead and enter your email once again and click on Reset Password. Now on the next page, click on Get Code and you'll receive a verification code sent to your registered email. Open up your email inbox and click the email from Bybit. Copy the code that you received, get back to the Bybit app and paste it in. Now go to the next field, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to type in the authentication code as well. Click confirm once done, and on the next page, type in the new password you want to reset to. Re-enter the new password once again in the next field, and finally click on reset password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password right away on Bybit. Next time while logging in, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So that's it. That's how you reset your forgotten password on Bybit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.